Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're checking out what might just be the best palm trees for outside, the OUSHENG lighted palm tree bar outdoor Christmas decorations. If you're looking to add a tropical, festive vibe to your patio, yard, pool, porch, or deck, this 6-foot lighted palm tree could be exactly what you need. Right from the start, this palm tree stands out because of its sturdy construction. Unlike many artificial trees that use plastic trunks, the OUSHENG palm tree features a metal trunk wrapped in durable nylon rope. This not only gives it a beautiful, realistic texture but also makes it strong enough to handle outdoor use. It comes with a heavy-duty base and 4 ground stakes to keep it firmly in place, which is perfect for windy conditions on your patio or yard. Setting it up is fairly straightforward. The tree comes with all the parts you need: a base, several trunk sections labeled A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, and C1, plus a water bag and nails to secure it. Assembly involves connecting the branches in order to light up the whole tree effectively. At about 9.6 pounds, it's solid without being too heavy, and its dimensions allow it to fit nicely in most outdoor spaces without overwhelming your setup. One of the best features of this palm tree is its lighting. It's equipped with warm white LED lights and offers 8 different pre-programmed lighting modes. Whether you want the lights to be steady on or prefer effects like waves, slow glow, flashing, chasing, slow fade, or twinkle, you can easily switch between modes using buttons on the plug. This versatility lets you tailor the atmosphere for any occasion, whether it's a summer bar party, a holiday celebration, or a casual evening on your porch. Powering the tree is simple and safe. It plugs into a standard 120-volt household outlet with a 10-foot power cord included, so no worries about batteries running out. Plus, it's IP65 waterproof rated, meaning it can withstand rain and splashes, making it great for outdoor use. Just keep in mind it's not designed for extreme weather conditions, so it's best to unplug it during storms or heavy winds. The design itself is unique, featuring a set of 3 palm trees clustered together. This gives you a fuller, more natural tropical look, and it's ideal for creating that island vibe for summer parties or Christmas Eve events. It's an eye-catching decoration that stands out from traditional holiday decor with its blend of tropical warmth and festive lighting. Overall, the OUSHENG lighted palm tree offers a blend of durability, style, and lighting versatility that makes it an excellent choice for outdoor decoration. Whether you're looking to brighten up your backyard, add a tropical flair to your patio, or create a standout piece for your next party, this palm tree covers all the bases. That's all for today's review. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video and want more product insights, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you next time.